Okay guys, check it out. I've got my little setup here of all the supplies I need to make the street legal kits. Now that the website is posted, we got all kinds of different stuff in there. Whole bunch of banjo bolts, every different size, kind, all my electrical connectors. And then if you also look down here, we've got some headlights, and this is the full aluminum bar switch. Here's another style that I bought, but I didn't end up liking this one actually, so I'm not going to be selling this one. But anyway, these are all power harnesses, a little bit of extra wire. We've got a whole bunch of tail lights, a whole bunch of blinkers, this style tail light, which I'm gonna use eventually, but I need to get a flasher relay for it because this doesn't have flashers built in like all of my other ones do. These are a whole bunch of phone chargers right here. I'm basically ready to go. I probably have enough stuff to build about 4 of these kits right this second. And so let me know if you guys want to pick up one. I've got a tail light ready right here. Here's the headlight. There's a couple different ways that can be mounted, but that's pretty much it. So go check out dirtscootdesigns.com and get a pre-order in, and I will get it shipped out to you much sooner than 1 month, because right now, like I said, I do have enough stuff in stock to make about 4 kits right now. And after that, I'll be ordering a whole bunch more stuff. But as I said before, I was still kind of testing stuff out, but now everything should be pretty much set up and ready to go.